Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Google Play Music no longer available. So Google Play Music is no longer available, and if you want to use it, how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your browser, any browser you are using. Right now I am on the Chrome, so you have to search for the Google Play Music download APK. You have to put this query in your search and you will see different links. So you have to click on the apkmirror.com, select it. Once you will do it, you will see this type of the page. Now scroll up and here you will see different options, and as well as you will see download APK option. So you have to click on it. Once you will do it, you have to install this application in your phone. This is basically Google Play Music older version, so you can easily use it on your phone. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.